Good healthy one. Oh, got something. Oh, we got something. What is it? Feels weird. Oh my God. Alright, got a beautiful fall day here. Let's see what we can pick up. We're gonna go for some multi-species today. There goes my son. I think it's time to tie on a drop shot rig instead. Slow things down a bit today. I don't know. Maybe we'll try the spinner for a little bit more. We'll jig that a little bit. We'll slow it down with the spinner. But we'll probably get snagged pretty quickly. Yeah, we're going to tie on a drop shot. This moving bait, 42 degrees of water, probably not going to do it for us. Oh, what a beautiful day. Too bad the sun went away. Whoa. Just a crazy school of something here on this side. Something I want to run my spinner through. That was a bite. Also a bite. Oh, got something. Oh, we got something. What is it? Feels weird. What the hell do we have? Oh my God. A giant carp. Snag. What the f***? What am I gonna do with you, you dumbass? Oh, it's a buffalo, I believe. Get that out of the way. I have to take a picture of this one. I don't want to grab him. It's a big buffalo. Let him go. How did that happen? However it happened, we don't want that to happen again. So we're gonna put that away. Here we go. Got one. Easy there, bud. There is smallies in there. Little guy. I'm gonna call him George. George helped save our day. you're back. He was cold. There we go. Instantly. Oh, what do we got? In the mouth. How do we get him in the mouth? What the hell? Another buffalo. He ate it. Oh, come on. Show a picture of him. I'm gonna let him go. I'm not grabbing him. Stinky boy. That ate it, for sure. Ate it. Oh, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? I wanna hit the bridge. Let's just head over there quick. Go hit a couple pillars, see what's up around there. Then we'll hit the wing dam again on our way back. And then we'll call it a day. 1 smallie, 2 buffalo. One of the buffalo was snagged for sure. The other one had it in his mouth, right on the outside of his mouth. So he definitely swung at it. Oh, I had something. Strip me clean. Probably lost him. Oh, that's a fish. What we got? Nice smallie. Nice smallie. Scoped you out, bud. It's a healthy one. It's a good healthy one. Picture for science. Remember, science. What does that mean? Get a picture of every fish, no matter the size or anything, so I can keep count and keep track of how many, when I caught them, how big they were. If you're out on the water for a long time and, you know, sometimes with the fish whistle. Call that 268. Toss them back. Thanks for playing, bud. Jesus. Oh, that was a fish. Oh, had something. Well, it's about 3:40. Sun's starting to go down. Maybe only about an hour of light. It's getting cold. We're gonna call it a day. We catch 2 smallies, 2 buffalo. Snagged one, had the other one on the outside of the mouth. Smallie was a good one. Second one was. We're gonna call her a day though.